I think about one of the greatest line readings from Twister, and it always comes to mind, and I say it in conversation sometimes when they're like, "What does a Category 5 look like?" And the guy with an upraised eyebrow says, "Finger of God," and I love that line reading. And then the other smarmiest line reading ever, like this takes the cake for the smarmiest performance and line reading, is what's the actor's name? Is it John Hurd or someone from The Fly, from Cronenberg's The Fly? And
John Getz.
Yeah, and he's taking a shower in Gina Davis's apartment, and she finds him. She's like, "What the hell are you doing in here?" And he says, "I was in the neighborhood. I felt a bit scummy." And that's the smarminess of that line.
That sounds like wow. I'm really embarrassed to tell you that sounds like an Adam Driver soundbite, but okay.
Oh, and the other smarmy performance from Die Hard, from the cocaine-addicted coworker of Bonnie Bedelia. And
he's a real American hero.
Is that Hart Botcher? Is that who that is?